By not paying attention to this glitch, could you be silently sabotaging your productivity? In today's glitch number 210 for July 28th, we're going to talk about the hidden chaos that may be lurking.
We are living, breathing proof of this, as you will see momentarily. Is your office space, your warehouse, your factory floor, whatever it is, efficiently and safely organized? What you don't see, acknowledge, and observe on a regular basis, it doesn't affect you, right? Wrong.
We covered this just in glitch number 200, and then way back in glitch number 10, talked about being organized, clean off your desk day, clean out a drawer, all those fun things. But this glitch is more to focus on the safety aspect for spaces where you may have things piling up in corners and equipment scattered about and people. My background is in insurance. Every time I'm haunted when I walk into a place from a liability standpoint in case personal injury, physical injury could be sustained. This is partially that reason. It's one thing to organize papers on your desk. It's another thing to get the clutter out of the office, out of the factory, out of the warehouse, out of the place where people can see and be reminded of something that's being neglected and ignored.
Here's the goal. Review. That's it. That's the goal.
You can do a survey of your spaces where, again, people might frequent. We have this of the projects we worked on around the time we were creating this glitch.
Oh, yeah.
Again, I challenge anybody to debate me on if there is not a visceral, refreshed experience.
What she's talking about is
this.
My home office, and you'll see the pictures for the glitch gurus, the before and after, and the basement of our home, which is an unfinished basement, but it's where we store stuff and keep our tools and cleaning supplies and some pantry items, and the before and after. For the basement, we hired a professional organizer. For the home office, Linda went away on vacation and I did my thing. It changes and makes things so much better.
It changes your perspective. It frees up space in your mind and your body, and it will provide some relief in some sense that you took this off that to-do list.
So what's our actionable item?
If this is something that you think you can handle without hiring a professional organizer like we did,
We're getting your kids to do it.
and you got kids, put them to task. This is also a very teachable
Create a
moment.
special team on your employees to do it.
There's that. These are teachable lessons with kids if there is a monetary value to the work that they do and they're getting paid. And then you can, show them when they're working and they're earning money, there's a trade there. So that's also a teachable lesson. So your kids aren't glitching out.
It seems huge, but really what's huge is creating the commitment to undertake this activity.
210.
See you tomorrow. Set.
Yeah.
And action. You do the hook. The only time I'm going to start it out is like what I did a few minutes ago, the other glitch with the peekaboo. But otherwise, you're supposed to do it.
Yes.
I love you.